Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make salsa. Here are the ingredients that you're gonna need. This is for a mild salsa. You can always add more serranos and jalapenos to increase the heat. Now the vegetables are washed, they're clean. Now it's time to roast them. The vegetables are ready to be taken off of the grill. Once you see that the chiles have blisters on them, the tomato skin is coming off, the garlic is soft, and the onion is nice and charred. I added the tomatoes first, then the peppers, the garlic, the onions, the salt, pepper, and the oregano. Here's the finished product. The salsa turned out really good. It was a bit mild for us, but it was still very delicious. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.